guys, good morning, and to this video we are going to clinic for my daughter's nebulizer. Actually, I can do it at home, but I prefer to do it at the clinic because anyway it's covered from the insurance. And this is her second day. Actually, she was not feeling well since last week, and right now also she's not going to school, so most probably by tomorrow, which is, what is tomorrow, Bella? Wednesday, I know, Thursday, tomorrow, then I'm planning to send her to school. So as you can see at the back, I have here my bird. I have here a bird.
Zoe!
And wait, Isabella is taking it. Actually, that was our new bird, actually.
The camera.
Hello.
The camera.
She is a 2-year-old bird.
Please do not come on my shoulder again. Please.
And
I beg you. I beg you. I beg you. No.
And she's still in a formula food.
No.
Like for babies, human babies, they have this Cerelac, right? And for the bird, baby's bird, they have also Cerelac. But Cerelac for the birds, not for the babies.
Help.
So she's here.
Help.
Actually, just at 2
Help.
months old. She could fly now. She could fly, but there's no direction when she flies. She just fly.
2 times she banged on the glass.
Yeah, she could fly, but there's no direction. We have to command her or teach her.
Her favorite place is mostly my shoulder.
And I tried to give her sunflower seeds, but still she's struggling to open it because she's still actually in the formula. So, but bits and bits, I am giving her to try seeds, and this is the one, the treats I'm giving her. Sorry, this is my clothes. So this is right now I'm giving to her. This is a treats. This is seeds with honey. So I just hang it here. So when she wants it, she could just come and fly in this place. So right now we are leaving for our clinic. Actually, our clinic here is just like a 5 minutes walking distance, 5 minutes. So we just leave the bird here, just outside the house.
Mama, look what she did.
I'm gonna cut her nails.
Look what she did. She made this thing home.
I know, sure.
She made over here like a home. Yeah, here.
She has sharp nails, actually. I need to cut.
This happened twice.
You have to polish her back. So now we're going to... Bella, let's go. So now we're going now to the clinic, and we'll see you there. We're leaving. She's there.
She was mad. What has she coming with me?
Yes.
If you're happy, yes,
What happened?
oh, you forgot my mask.
I have the back end. I have the mask with me.
I don't have my mask. I think so sunny. Hey, you said dogs aren't allowed in this apartment, right?
Maybe
saw
it's
a
just a guess or something. So now we are here. We're crossing the road.
Sometimes we will do life cycle,
Yeah.
and in English we just learn like pronounces, pronouns, nouns, subject. You know why?
This is actually my area. This is how it looks like in this community.
Mama,
That is international school, and this is my building.
Janice Lowry.
Yes.
In robotics is the probably
Now this is the Astor Pharmacy, and this is the Astor Clinic. We are reaching.
And I will
What's
stay
this?
there for 20 minutes. Station.
Yes, Astor Pharmacy and Astor
This is my last day.
Clinic.
This is my last day doing it. Right?
Yes.
To be honest, I actually like that medication. Okay.
What happened? This monkey. Behave na. Waiting line. Huh?
I've got the initial for my thing.
No, you have to give us new ones.
Why?
What do you mean why? That's it. She's getting ready. This is the maybe oxygen. She's ready now for her nebulizer. There she is. She's starting her nebulizer. You okay, Bella? Inhale, exhale, okay? Today is her last day. Finished. We're heading home. We're going home. Taxi driver, they're fighting.
Yeah. There?
They're fighting. No, at the back. At the back, no. They're fighting.
I can't see.
At the back, I said, Bella, wash your back. Yes. You have to cross here. Na.
This way?
Yes. Then, no, not that side.
That way?
Reach home. We reach home. Let's see to our bird. He's here. He's here. Hello. Stretching his legs. Today, guys, we reach home and she's okay. And she's going back to school tomorrow. What do you think? Huh?
No.
She doesn't want to go back. Anyway, that's all for today, guys. Have a nice day.
See you
Bye.
in the way.